Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the next lecture and myself Palak Agrawal and I'll be teaching you a chapter 7 triangles. So let's see what we will cover today and how it's gonna go. Okay, so what is the triangle? A closed figure formed by three intersecting lines is called triangle. Okay, tri means 3, the line should be 3. It has 3 angles, 3 vertices and 3 sides. Sides are the line segments. Angles are the intersection of two lines, angle A, B, C, and vertices are the meeting point. Okay. So, what are concurrent triangles? I'll just give you a simple exercise. Take 2 coins. Okay. Now, take a 5 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, and 1 rupee coin. Okay. Now, just place the coin one above the other. When you are placing 5 rupee coin above 1 rupee coin, can you see 1 rupee coin? Yes, you can. And just interchange. Now, can you see 5 rupee coin below 1 rupee coin? No. Why? Because 1 rupee coin is greater than 5 rupees coin. You will say, ma'am, what a silly question you are asking. Now, just keep 2 5 rupee coin one over the other. Are you able to see the below 5 rupee coin? No. Now, just flip it. Now, are you able to see? No. That means both the coin are of same size and same shape. So, they overlap each other. That is what is called congruency condition. Now, congruent figures are two or more figures with same shape and same size. Congruent figures completely overlap each other or cover each other. Okay. Now, why do we study congruency? Now, whenever identical objects have to be produced, the concept of congruency is used in making the cast. What is cast? It's the sculpture which is used to make the objects. Okay. So, if we want ice cubes, we use tray. So, every cube in it is of the same size and shape. So, they are congruent. Now, what is congruency of triangles? We know that two triangles or two figures are congruent if they overlap each other. According to that property, we can say that congruency of triangles can be said congruent if they overlap. Now, the symbol shown right here, you can see it, this symbol. This is called congruency sign. And two triangles are congruent according to certain rules defined. Okay, sides and angles of both the triangle, corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal. Okay, so we need to check for that. Then only we can say that two triangles are congruent. Now, there are certain rules. A congruency part of a congruent triangles are equal. Okay, CPCT. We write it in a short form. Okay, so whenever we write triangle PQR is congruent to triangle ABC, P implies A, Q implies B, and C implies R. First axioms, SAS condition. Side angle side. Two triangles are congruent if both the sides are equal in length and including triangle is also equal. Okay, so you can see it here. BC is equal to PQ, QR. AB is equal to PQ and angle B is equal to angle Q. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Correct? So by side angle side. Now, a question for you. In the figure it's given OA is equal to OB and OD is equal to OC. Show that triangle AOD is congruent to triangle BOC. I hope you can easily show that. Now just try it. Okay, now we'll write by. Okay, firstly just write in triangle. Okay, so that's the first condition that you write. In triangle BOC I am taking and triangle AOD. Okay, first is AO is equal to OB. It's given. Correct. OC equal to OD. It's given. Okay, now just keep on seeing its side. Its side. We have gotten two sides. Either we could go for third side, but it's not given. So we'll go for angle including both the sides. So which will be 1 and 2. So we also know that angle 1 would be equal to angle 2 by how they would be equal, vertically opposite. Correct? So hence triangle BOC is congruent to triangle AOD by SAS, side angle side, CPCT. Okay, correct? Now we have to prove, we have done this part. Now we have to prove AD is parallel to BC. AD and BC would be parallel if this angle would be equal to this angle, means 3 and 4. Now, angle 3 would be equal to angle 4. I am talking about B part. Okay, by CPCT. Correct? Because these are the angles of triangle, and with the property A would be equal to B, O is O, and C would be equal to D. But also they are alternate opposite angles. So if they are equal, the lines are parallel. I hope you got my point. We are mixing the chapter previously discussed. So you need to be well prepared with the previous concepts. Okay. So a line segment AB is given to you and L is perpendicularly bisector. Means this both are 90 degree. Also it's bisector. So they are equal. If a point P lies on L. Okay. Show that P is equidistant from A and B. What does equidistance mean? This is equal to this. So to prove PA is equal to P, correct? And given angle, I'll just name it, okay? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to 90. Okay, proof. Suppose that I'm looking for in triangle APC and triangle BPC. Okay. I know that for a fact angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and they are 90 degree. That's not an issue, but okay, fine. And PC is equal to PC, which is common line. So we have got one angle and one line. Also, this is perpendicular bisector, means AC is equal to CB according to the question. Okay, by question. Correct? So, according to this three condition by SAS, triangles APC is congruent to triangle BPC. Correct? Now, by CPCT, we can state that PA is equal to P. So, by CPCT, PA is equal to PB, hence proved. Correct? So, I hope by congruency, you have learned how to solve these questions. Correct? Okay. Now, criteria for congruency of triangle. Consider two triangles. The two triangles are not congruent. Thus, ASS and SSA does not apply for rule of congruency. SAS is the one, but ASS and SSA means that you cannot make a rule by your own. You have to learn them. SAS is a rule. ASA is a rule. Angle side angle is also a rule, but the side should be the included or the common of the both angles. Correct? You can see in the figure. Now, AAS, two triangles are congruent if they have two pairs of angle and one pair of corresponding side are equal. Okay, so this is also a rule. Now, a question to you. Line segment AB is parallel to line segment CD. Parallel means first draw conclusions. These angles are equal. This angle would be equal. This angle is also equal to this angle. Okay. Now, O is the midpoint. Show that both triangles are congruent. Easily shown. See that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. OA is equal to OD. And angle 3 is equal to angle 5. What is it? By angle side angle. First one is done. Now, O is midpoint of, okay, we need to show that, this point. So, we can write it, angle 5 is equal to angle 6. So, by triple angle. Correct? Now, if the triangles are congruent, so by CPCT, OA is equal to OD. Hence, O is midpoint. Correct? So, you have to just need to find the criteria. Okay, some properties of a triangle. Today we will stop here, and from the next lecture we would be continuing with some properties of a triangle. I hope this lecture is clear to you. If not, just watch it again and try to solve the question by your own first. Okay, thank you so much for attending.